This is a MagSafe shockproof kickstand case for the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I was sent these to review from Malewolf, so let me show you a closer look. I was sent 6 colors to show you. This is dark blue, dark purple, black orange, black red, and black. They are all gorgeous, and I want to show you the main features here, which are the MagSafe component and the kickstand, plus the fun look and textured side. So let's go. I will use the red because I just love the pop of color here with the silver. Before we put a phone in there, I always like to show the inside. It's a really nice sturdy case, a hard frame. It's not one of those flimsy TPUs. Hard PC back, and this is a really nice smooth matte frosted back, so it's going to show just barely a hint of the color of your phone. The real color hero is coming through here and here and on the sides. We'll go ahead and pop a white phone in here. Put the bottom in first, scoot it all the way down, and then pop in the top. A nice snug fit. The buttons are covered and clicky and metallic to match this with the color and the silver kind of both going on. Got this really cool textured band of color all the way around. Your port, speaker, and S Pen slot are open, and that band continues the whole way around the other side and up to the top. So gorgeous. And then your MagSafe bit is here, is color and smooth because it's installed from the inside. You can feel that barely, but the outside is smooth. A lot of people question the S Pen corner since it is cut out. They think maybe it's a little bit risky, but that is nicely covered. Do you see it goes just past the corner? So the most risky spot right here is covered, and they use like a really firm material. I'm not able to squish that. It's really firm. I'm actually really impressed. Don't forget this, your kickstand. It's out of the way, not gonna be interfering with the MagSafe bit. So let's test that out. That's really strong. So if you're using a magnetic mount, no worries about it falling off. That's really strong. You can still use wireless charging when you're using the kickstand feature because it's exposed. And this is nice and adjustable. So just pull this out. If you go all the way down, you can lay it really flat if you do it all the way that way. And then if you have it here, you're gonna wanna squish it a little bit. So that's less of a leaning on horizontal, even less. And then you can stand it. You have to balance it perfectly. And then it's really, actually really stable. Yes. My gosh, this is a great case. It's gorgeous. It's MagSafe. It's got a kickstand. I love it. And I know you will too.